welcome to our Tools Depot Service and Repair Center. Okay, actually we do have calibration and repair for top range services. Right here, actually we are adjusting. After adjusting, we will bring up to our lab to do calibration. Actually one of our own product, an intact wrench from Sealy. It is back here for servicing due to power loss. This is actually a bearing heater which we are waiting for spare part from Holland, so it will be sitting here for quite some time. This is a fan from Sealy too. It's actually under warranty, so we are processing warranty over here also. Have a forklift for our weekly shipment from Sealy. Thank you. Have a nice day.